Welcome to Derek's World of Motorcycling. Well, it looks like spring's finally arrived. The sun is out, the daffodils are in bloom, and the road salt has finally been washed away. In other words, it's time for me to take my classic bikes out of winter hibernation. I'm starting with my Honda CB750, but it'll be a similar procedure for all of my bikes. Firstly, I'll check the electrics, making sure that things like the indicators, lights, etc. are working. Then I'll drain the old fuel from the tank and replace it with new. Finally, I'll balance the carburettors using the Synchrometer that I bought recently. It's used to measure the airflow into a carb. It fits over the carb inlet, and the airflow measurement is indicated by the position of the red needle. This snorkel attachment is used for when space behind the carbs is limited. Once readings have been taken, adjustments can then be made to ensure that the airflows across all carbs are even. Hopefully this will smooth out the Honda's lumpy idle, which has persisted despite the carbs having been balanced numerous times with the vacuum kit. I remove the airbox to allow access to the carb inlets. Then I remove the fuel tank so I could access the adjuster nuts at the top of each carb. Fuel was provided from an auxiliary supply. Finally, I positioned a fan in front of the engine to prevent possible overheating. The airflows through cylinders 2, 3 and 4 carbs were relatively even. But the airflow into the cylinder 1 carb was significantly higher. By turning the adjuster nuts on each carb, I managed to even out the airflows across all cylinders, whilst maintaining a steady idle speed of around 1000 RPM. I've ridden the bike a couple of times since then. It idles a lot smoother now. It also seems to have fixed another issue where the engine would occasionally stumble under acceleration from low revs. It looks like the Synchrometer is already a worthy addition to my tool collection. But what do you guys think? What do you do to get your bike season ready? Have you experience of using a Synchrometer? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.